Hello guys, and I am connect the printer browser to Wi-Fi, and you're looking the Wi-Fi connect. I am testing the connect printer to Wi-Fi, and step one is what I am focus the camera. Okay, step one you click OK, and step two you scroll down machine and scroll down again, paper, scroll down, click, scroll down, press down, and network, click OK. Okay, you select network, your network, click OK, and press down wireless LAN, press down wireless LAN, Wi-Fi direct, press down, network reset, press down again, and WLAN. Okay, your WLAN, and OK, click OK. Okay, and EP, press down again, and set up wizard. Okay, this menu Wi-Fi connect set up wizard. Okay, I'm testing again. Step one, mission info, press down, press down, your network, click OK, and we're at LAN, press down, WLAN. Okay, and press OK, WLAN, press down again, press down, wizard setup. One more, I am testing again. Step one, your mission info. Step two, you press down your network. Okay, click OK, and press down again. WLAN, click OK, and IP, click press down again, set up wizard, click OK. You set up cert ID. Okay, set ID, your search the network Wi-Fi, this white, search the network, and okay, network detect, and click OK, connect the network WLAN, your detect, and your if your input password, you press down and up, ABC down and up, 1 2 3 number and character, you press up, and OK, the printer connect Wi-Fi. Okay, this printer connect Wi-Fi, the finish printer border connect Wi-Fi, and more video. Printer border connect to handphone, connect to phone. Printer border print and scan with handphone. Okay, your next video. Thank you for watching. Share, like, subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.